Hi friends! Today we are going to be making a number caterpillar and we're going to count from 1 to 5. Do we know how to count from 1 to 5? Let's try. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. Okay, now I have some supplies, my safety scissors, my glue, a paper that I'm going to glue my caterpillar body on. It could be any color you want. I already cut out some shapes and colors. And what shape is this? Anybody tell me what shape this is? I know you know. Yes, a circle. So I cut out all circles that we're going to be using today for this particular caterpillar. And I made my circles. You can do your circles by hand and just make a nice big circle. Or you could also use like a mug or a cup. And by that, I mean this. We trace it. Okay? I'm going to make it so you can see. We go around the cup and we make a great big circle. See that? Now I did cut out most of my circles. This way it would be a little bit easier, but I'm going to show you how we cut out this circle. Okay? Again, let's come down here. Take your safety scissors, and if you need help from an adult in your house, that's okay. Ask someone to help you, and you go around, and you try to keep it as much of a circle shape as you can. If it's a little bit off, see, it's fine. We can work with that as long as you try. And we keep going, and I turn it as I'm cutting. Makes it a little bit easier. It takes practice, but you guys will get it. And there's my circle. Okay? Now we're going to write our numbers. I'm using a blue marker. You can use crayons, pencil, anything you have available to you. Now, I'm going to use the red one for his head. We're going to do that one last. Now, my first one that I'm going to make, I'm going to use purple. Again, any color. You can use crayons. If you only have white paper, that's fine too. So now we're going to start drawing the numbers. So what's the first number? Number 1. Very good. Now that's number 1. So an adult in your house can also draw the number 1 for you. And we can put a dot down here. This way we can count our dots if that's easier for you right now. So this is the number 1. And how many dots do we have here? 1. 1 dot. Very good. Now I'm going to take my next color and we're going to draw the number 2. That's my number 2. And again, I'm going to put my dots here. I'm going to put a dot here and a dot here. Can you tell me how many dots we have? Yes, 1, 2, 2 dots. That's great. Now I'm going to do the number 3. If an adult has to write the number 3, that's fine. And they can put the dots there for you, and we can count the dots together. 1, 2, 3. 3 dots. My friends are so smart. Number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 dots. We see 4 dots? Yes. And then the last one is what? What comes after 4? 5. Great job. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 dots. My friends are so smart. Okay, so now we're going to put these in order, and I'm going to glue them to the page. Okay, don't forget to leave a spot for the head, okay? So my first one is going to be number 1. 1 dot. There we go. We hold it. I have to make sure he sticks to the paper. What's my next number? 2. Very good. And we can overlap them a little if you want. That's part of his body. Number 2, and that's 1, 2 dots. Does anyone know what the next number will be? I'm sure I hear you guys. 3. Good job. 1, 2, 3. Excellent. We're almost done. Next one is, yes, number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And my last number that we talked about, we were going to go up to number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job, friends. Okay, our caterpillar is almost done. Oh, wait a second. Do we see anything familiar? The way I put my colors? Purple, green, purple, green, purple. What does that remind you of? A pattern. Yes, I made a pattern. You can make a pattern too if you'd like. Great job. Now I'm going to make my little caterpillar face. Make a happy caterpillar. I like being happy. Nice big smile. A little nose. I'm going to put that right in the front of the number 1. Put a little antenna. And that's my little happy number caterpillar. All right. I hope you guys had fun. And I'd like to see pictures of your number caterpillars. Don't forget, I said you can use the dots. And if you'd like to make a pattern, that would be great too. All right. Have a nice day, and I'll be back soon. Bye.